Siya pala ang mapapangasawa mo. He or she must be your fiancé. Naipakilala mo na ba siya sa mga kaibigan mo? Have you introduced him or her to your friends? Ilang taon na kayong magkasintahan? How many years are you as a couple? 3 taon na at ngayon pinagpaplanuhan na rin namin ang kasal. It's been 3 years and we're already planning for the wedding. Masaya siguro ang ikasal. Sana ako rin balang araw. Maybe it's nice to get wed. I hope someday I'll be married too. Siyempre, mangyayari yan sa tamang panahon. Of course, it will happen at the right time. Nakilala mo na ba ang mga magulang niya? Have you met his or her parents? Oo naman, ilang beses na nga ako nakapunta sa kanila. Yes, I've been to his house many times. Gusto ko na rin sanang mag-asawa, kaso walang nagkakagusto sa akin. I really wanted to get married but nobody likes me. Maghintay ka lang, darating din ang para sa'yo sa tamang panahon. Just wait, the right person for you will come at the right time. Siguro tama ka, kaya lang minsan hindi ko maiwasan na mag-isip. Maybe you're right, but sometimes I can't help thinking. Wala ka bang nililigawan man lang? Are you not even courting someone? Meron, kaya lang nagtapat siya sa akin na hindi niya raw ako gusto. I have, but she confronted me that she doesn't like me. Ang sakit naman yan. It really hurts. Sinabi mo pa, kaya ngayon parang ayaw ko nang manligaw. Right, that's why I don't want to court again. Bata ka pa naman, matuto kang maghintay. You're still young, just learn to wait. Gusto mo ipakilala kita sa kaibigan ko? You want I'll introduce you to my friend? Huwag na, ayaw ko nang masaktan. No need, I don't want to get hurt. Huwag ka naman masyadong maramot sa sarili mo, makipagkilala ka naman. Don't be so mean to yourself. Sometimes you need to hang out with new friends. Sige, susubukan ko, pero hindi ako mangangako. Okay, I'll try, but I won't promise anything. Oo naman, makipagkaibigan ka lang. Malay mo, may mapuntahan. That's right, just try to be friend. You might not know. Marami nga akong naiisip puntahan. Yun nga lang, wala naman akong kasama. I actually thought of going to places, but I have no one to accompany me. Ayos lang naman maglakbay kasama ang mga kaibigan. Masaya pa din naman yun. It's okay to travel with friends. It's still fun. Hi, sana dumating na din yung para sa akin. I'm wishing for the right one to come. Mangyayari yan. Tiwala lang. It will. Just trust.